Today we are going to change an air filter on the 2012 and newer Ford Focuses. Your air filter is located under this box here, located on the right side of the engine. To remove this panel, you will need a 5/16 size socket, and there are 4 bolts that need to be taken loose. They actually will not come completely off, they will just come loose. Okay, once you have taken those 4 screws loose, the cover basically pops off. Now here we have a cylinder air filter. And basically to remove this, all we're going to do is we're going to pick up on the end and pull it towards the edge of the car, and it will slide out. And that's basically it. And once you go to install the new air filter, you're basically going to do it the same way. You're going to slide it down into the vehicle, push it in until it locks in place, and go ahead and reinstall the cover, lining up the 4 screws. And then you'll just go ahead and retighten the 4 screws, and that is basically it. It's very, very simple and easy do-it-yourself project. Thanks for watching.